always stop that unabated to the quarterback. But it's cold out here. We mentioned that a little bit. And so the fact that Kyle Reed's been able to be effective throwing the ball with that pinky finger being hurt is very good for this team right now in this opening drive.
He was one of the top high school quarterbacks in the nation coming out of high school in Oakland. 2nd down and 3 at the Bulldogs' 16-yard line. More movement, no penalty flag this time. Reed for the end zone, and it's Avery, and he's got it. Touchdown, San Jose State. Marquise Avery, that is his 5th touchdown grab. He leads the team in that category.
You're seeing the dynamic player that is Marquise Avery. The reason they like going to this guy in the red zone is because of his height. You're going to see right here, Reed just drops back. It isn't a perfectly thrown ball, but he throws it high enough to a point to where his guy can go up there, use that 6'4" frame, just jumps over the corner, Terry Carter, and just takes that ball into the end zone.
Tyler Cope, the sophomore from Portland, Oregon, for the extra point. Just the 2nd touchdown pass for Reed this season. And Cope drills the extra point, and it's 7-0. The Spartans, the 118th out of 120 teams in college football in scoring with just 13 points per game. They already have 7 on the board. A good start here on the road in their season finale. Avery finding the end zone first. Marquise Avery, a junior from Anaheim, California, with an athletic touchdown catch to put the Spartans on the board first. Season finale for these two teams from the Western Athletic Conference. This, of course, the final game for Dick Tomey after a storied career